Welcome to Research Rocks.
Video we will see how to add on LinkedIn profile photo as well as video, so you can put it here in this particular profile pictures. Inside the profile pictures you can put it the video, and in this video you can introduce as a short experience and your expertise on that particular video. So how to add? It's very simple process. Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So now let's start as a mobile screen. So now let's start as a demonstration. First of all, open your LinkedIn application. This is my LinkedIn application. Now I entered my profile, the profile and my main page. Here addition options are available like a plus. You click here addition. Look at this here, view and edit your profile picture. If you want change the profile picture and add profile video, so simply click here add profile video and add profile video point of view. Such kind of video is automatically comes here and you record your video like this. So like you explain yourself here. Hello, my name is Sangram. I completed my PhD in speech processing. My expertise is natural language processing and speech processing. So you can explain such kind of your expertise and your key point and put it the simple video in your profile and then stop the video. So now hello, my name is Sangram. I now look at my PhD in speech processing. My expertise is natural language processing. And then after go to the simply next here profile, you can manage like this, only circle and share to the profile. So now you share to the profile this particular video and the process is completed, done. Now another user or another recruiter are very easily receive or access my profile using my expertise. I already put it that short introduction for the text as well as voice. So this is a best advantage to improve your profile and strong way to present your skill, expertise and which types of job you are looking. It's very simple process. You can do this process and upload your short video in LinkedIn profile. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.